major lessons that you've learned that's propelling you, that you're taking with you into?
I can't help everyone.
Okay.
I just can't. I can't give as much as I would like to.
Right.
It's just not. It's not reasonable, and financially, I just can't do it. I don't mind sharing, giving. Oh, here's some potato salad. Oh,
Right.
you want
Right.
to taste this? Or you want to try that? Oh, get a soda. Well, eventually, if I keep doing that, it's not good.
You know, it's you're so right in saying that, because at times I think people don't understand that they see us in business, and they think that we have a social responsibility to everyone that comes through the door. If you have a problem, that we need to help you. Sometimes I call myself a social entrepreneur, because I am, in a way, because of the cause that I give back to, which are the guys behind bars.
Right.
That's a cause that I give to, that I believe in,
Mm-hmm.
you know. And but I've had the same situation where, everyone thinks that I'm supposed to help,
Right.
but sometimes we can't help, because as a business you have expenses.
Mm-hmm.
But people do not see that, and many times they don't respect that.
Right.
And if we keep on reacting to everyone that comes to us and say, hey, I need help, and at times I did react,
Right.
but it left me in a void.
Mm-hmm.
It left me in a place that I did not want to be. So, I understand about what you said about.
Yes, I can't, like, a lot of times I get last minute orders, which are okay sometimes, but then it puts me in a crunch.
Right.
So, and I try to do it to just accommodate the person or please the person. And sometimes people, it's never where they don't have or they're asking, but it's more of me giving.
Right.
And that's part of my personality. I always give. I always give. And that's the biggest lesson I've learned, is that I can't give to everyone as much as my heart wants to.
Right.
I just can't do it.
Well, I can tell you this much. In my 20 years in business, I've given for you, me, and the whole city. So you don't have to feel bad about not being able to give. I mean, business is a wonderful, it's a wonderful addition that we are bringing to the community, you in Chester,
Mhm.
at the marketplace, with your restaurant. I have the honor to eat there every week, and with the bookstore and the lives that we have touched at major bookstore, with books, be it out here and in prison.
Mhm.
I think we're doing a great job. I
do
really think
too.
that we
I
are.
do too.
And now, as you had mentioned earlier about staying consistent, staying, with our plan, staying focused,
Yes.
and
Consistency and patience.
yes,
Two major things.
yes,
That's definitely. I heard the word consistency early on when I first started the business. People tell me, "Hey, just make sure you're consistent. Make sure you're consistent." So I heard that, and it's been something that has truly paid off. And the other thing I've learned is patience. Just because I don't have a line of people
right,
waiting to get my food, or I don't have a whole crowd standing at the counter, doesn't mean that I'm not doing well. Give myself credit for the small things that I have done,
exactly,
all of the small
exactly,
accomplishments I have made, and don't just look for the bigger accomplishments.
right, right,
So I've definitely learned to be satisfied with the small things. Prior to having a business, I was always looking at the small things.
right.
I've always told people to look at the small things. We hear it all the time, but we really just take it for granted a lot
Don't
of
put it
times.
into action
Right,
ourselves.
right. So then, me being in the starting the business really made me see and really recognize the small blessings that God has given me.